So you want to be a photographer, but you have a lot of questions about lenses, such as, do you need a zoom lens? Is it best to use prime lenses? Can you get away with just using the lens that came with your camera? Do you have to buy mirrorless, or can you use your DSLR lenses with an adapter? My name is Nancy, and as I said in the last video all about cameras, I have 176,000 followers on TikTok, and all I talk about is how to make you a better photographer. So let's break down lenses. Let's start with the lens that came with your camera. That's going to be a zoom lens that has a variable aperture. Now, this lens is the only one that I'm going to tell you should get rid of. This lens is great when you're just starting out and you're in the first month or two of learning photography. After that, you need to ditch it. Having a variable aperture is making it nearly impossible to get quality photos in anything other than very bright conditions. You want to get rid of your kit lens as quick as possible. Now, nearly every photographer you meet is going to tell you that you need to buy a 50mm 1.8 lens. This is an excellent upgrade from your kit lens. Number one, it is highly affordable. Number two, the aperture is much wider, so you can work in darker conditions and still get a quality photo. Is the 50mm the lens upgrade that I'm going to recommend for you? Yes, if you have a full frame camera. If you have a crop frame camera, you don't want a 50mm lens. It's going to appear too zoomed in. Instead, you should get the 35mm. Is going to look more like a 50mm if you have a crop frame camera. It is super stunning for getting a large area in the frame. So if you have a beautiful beach in the background, a sunset, a beautiful forest, fall foliage, the 35mm is going to be your go-to. Another lens that is a cult favorite among photographers is the zoom lens 24-70mm. Do I recommend this lens? Yes, it's incredibly versatile and you can use it for nearly everything. But this lens is $1,000. So if you can't afford it, that's okay. Instead, get one or two prime lenses. You will be good to go. Another very common question I get asked is, can I use an adapter to put my DSLR lenses on my mirrorless camera? Does it affect the quality of the image? No, it doesn't affect the quality. I used an adapter for about 6 or 7 months before I had enough spare change I could buy my first mirrorless lens. But I would absolutely still use my favorite DSLR lenses on my mirrorless camera with my adapter. So if you already have a little collection of DSLR lenses, just buy an adapter. Don't go out and replace them all with the mirrorless versions. All of my favorite lenses for Canon, Nikon, all of that is in my Amazon storefront. So if you want to take a peek at my favorites, you can head to the link at the top of my TikTok profile, and I have all my favorite photography gear listed for you there. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.